500 Scrambler.
I think the people have seen this bike in our other video before, right? We talked about it.
You saw this in the studio tour.
Exactly.
Right. This is a CB 500 1973. Also called, it's kind of vague. I don't really know the story, but in some parts of the world it's 550. Here it's 500. I can't really tell.
Okay.
It's the 4 model, so 4 cylinders, mid-70s. Popular bike to build on. We built several of them. What we're gonna do here now is that we're gonna jump straight into this build, and we're gonna try to capture the rest of the build and the build out and teach you guys some things that you can do at home, some things that I found tricky in the beginning to get right. We've started a little bit here already. We're not that far, even though it might look that we are quite far. It's just a skeleton left. But what we have done so far is that we just stripped everything into bits and pieces, components. We took away the brackets, the original brackets, and we did just make like a rough cutout and like the loop. We did start with that, but we're gonna continue on working with the frame. It's super rough. We need to grind it down, make it look beautiful and smooth. I'm gonna show you some tricks about like how to do that, how to hide the electricity, how to make a seat pan, what to do with all your components, how to restore them the right way. Cool. So now we have taken everything apart. With that said, the engine is also fully disassembled, but it's not here. It's up in our mechanical workshop, mid-country. And we can probably get some footage of that when we're up there as well. With our motor mechanic, Kalle, we fully restored everything. We do not compromise on that. So the engine gets a full overhaul or full rebuild, renovation, whatever you want to call it. Down here, we're going to do the metalwork, the design, and the renovation of the parts. So the bikes that we use for our custom builds, they are ready for the scrapyard or to be fully restored. This one is in really poor condition, but it's not that it's super rusty or that we need to do a lot of rust repair in it, but you can tell that it's been standing for, I don't know, 20 years at least. It's rough. You can see here on like all the components for the wheels being taken apart. Like this is rough. It's like it's been down at the bottom of the sea. So we're gonna fully restore both front wheel and rear wheel. So what we do then is that these ones, they're gonna get sandblasted, powder coated. We're gonna get some new surfaces here in the drum brakes, new wheel bearings, new brake shoes. Everything is gonna be brand new. Here we have the new rims for it. We're gonna powder coat these guys black as well. So new rims, new spokes. We're gonna fully restore the wheels. That's how we roll. So now we're getting everything ready to ship out for sandblasting and powder coating. So that's what I prepared over here. That's for the rear sprocket. Here's the front hub. Front forks. These guys are standing here. This is a great solution. So if you're looking at this closely, they seriously put tape on their forks. They also extended them. Yeah.